In Jeremiah chapter 17, verse 7, it says, "Blessed is the man who trusts in the Lord and whose trust is the Lord." So ito po ay sulat ni Jeremiah nung panahon ng Judah na hindi pa siya nasasakop at malapit ng masakop ng bansang Babylon, no? And because of the people of Israel are trusting in their wealth, trusting in their power, they are not trusting in the Lord, and so the Lord is now being kindled with anger, no? Napupuno na ng galit. Sabi niya na huwag niyong hayaang mangyari ito, na hindi kayo umasa sa akin at magtiwala sa akin. Kung hindi, sabi niya, isang mas malakas na puwersa o na isang malakas na bansa ang pwedeng sumakop sa inyo. Now, sabi naman niya, yung kabaliktaran naman, pero sabi niya, pagpapalain ang tao at pinagpala ang tao na sa Diyos umaasa. So, Jeremiah even continued na sabi niya, he is like a tree planted in the river, na hindi siya matutuyo at laging magbubunga even out of season. So, para sa ating mga mananampalataya kay Jesus or tayo mga Kristiyano, ano ang application nito sa atin? That we can only trust Jesus, no one else. The only way to the Father is Jesus alone. We can only trust Him with everything. Lahat ng mga kailangan natin, lahat ng mga pinagdadaanan natin, may problema tayo, Jesus has the answer. Meron tayong kailangang pagtuunan ng pansin, hingin natin kay Jesus for solution, for wisdom. We can only trust Jesus and Jesus alone. Siya lang ang pwede natin mapagkatiwalaan. And if we trust Him, sabi nga nung binasa natin, blessed is the man who trusts in the Lord, whose trust is the Lord. The word of the Lord for you today. God bless you.